Hey guys, in this video I'm showing y'all how I take care of my nails, basically my nail care routine. I've already obviously taken off the polish and I have removed my cuticles. I just use this cuticle remover by Sally Hansen. It was like $4, and this little cuticle pusher and cutter. After I do that and like remove my cuticles, I like to wash my hands because I don't want this thing to be like eating up my cuticles after they're already gone, because I don't know what it could do to you. So the way I get my nail polish to last a really long time is I use rubbing alcohol. The bottle is really old, that's why it looks all like busted and kind of dirty, but I like to use my rubbing alcohol, and I've already like moisturized my hands. Then I'm going to be doing a gray color, in case you were wondering. It's by LA Colors Color Last, and it's called Timeless. My favorite top coat is the Seche Vite Gel Effect. Really any Seche Vite top coat, because this always lasts for me. Like I tried an I&M Out the Door, which is kind of like similar to the Seche Vite, but that thing kept chipping. Like it would chip within like 3 days. Another thing I like to use is this Salon Sciences Bonding Base Coat, because I feel like it really does help the color like bond. I use this, what's it called? Quimica Alemana by, I don't know, and I use this Sally Hansen Hardest Wraps. So I'm just gonna go ahead, get these little, it was just one full cotton round, and just put some rubbing alcohol on it. And then I like to clean off like the whole nail plate, because I just have oily skin, I guess. So the very first base coat I use is this base coat right here. But one thing I did want to say is I also do file my nails. I forgot to tell you guys, but I just file it very lightly. Like I don't do all that back and forth stuff. I literally just do like one swipe on either side. If y'all are wondering what this is literally just a skewer that I always use to clean up on my nail. And I always make sure I wrap the tips of my nails, because I don't like I feel like whenever I don't wrap the tips, it just chips a lot faster. What I'll do after I paint both hands is I'll just go to my blow dryer, and then I'll literally just sit there blow drying my nails, because I really don't like waiting for them to dry. By the time I'm done painting this hand's had a little bit of time to dry. So then I just immediately go in with my Seche Vite, because you're supposed to use it when your nail polish is still wet, so it can like seal all of the layers of nail polish.